Welcome back to Dreams Car Studio, the place where speed innovation and automotive dreams come alive. Before we begin, support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to Dreams Car Studio, and turning on notifications, so you never miss any future luxury and concept vehicle content. Your support helps us bring more incredible dream machines to your screen. Today, we are exploring the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome 2026, a breathtaking fusion of ultra-luxury mobile living and German engineering excellence designed for those who want to travel the world without sacrificing comfort, prestige, or sophistication. This is not just a motorhome, it is a rolling Maybach suite that transforms long-distance travel into a first-class experience from the outside. The Mercedes Maybach Motorhome immediately commands attention with its elegant proportions, smooth flowing body lines, and signature Maybach design language. The front features a bold illuminated Maybach grille, refined LED lighting, and a luxurious fascia that communicates prestige rather than aggression. Chrome accents are tastefully applied, enhancing elegance while maintaining a modern, futuristic appearance. The side profile is long, sleek, and balanced with large panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light and reinforce the feeling of openness. The wheels are large, polished, and refined, adding to the sense of exclusivity, while the overall stance feels confident, composed, and unmistakably premium. Step inside the Mercedes Maybach Motorhome 2026, and you are welcomed into an environment that feels more like a private jet lounge than a vehicle. The interior is handcrafted using the finest leather, premium fabrics, polished wood veneers, and brushed metal accents. Every surface is soft, refined, and meticulously finished. The main living area features plush reclining seats, a spacious lounge layout, and ambient lighting that creates a calm and relaxing atmosphere. Advanced entertainment systems, large digital displays, and premium surround sound allow passengers to enjoy movies, music, or work while traveling. The floor layout is open and elegant, maximizing space and comfort, while sound insulation ensures near silence even at highway speeds. The sleeping area is designed like a luxury hotel suite, featuring a king-size bed, custom lighting, privacy partitions, and climate control for personalized comfort. The bathroom rivals high-end hotel bathrooms with elegant finishes, modern fixtures, and spacious design, while the kitchen area is fully equipped with premium appliances, smart storage, and clean, minimalist surfaces, making long journeys effortless. And refined, the cockpit of the Maybach Motorhome reflects the same philosophy of luxury and control. The driver's seat is elevated and extremely comfortable, offering excellent visibility, while large digital displays present navigation, vehicle data, and driving assistance features. In a clean, intuitive layout, the steering wheel and controls are wrapped in premium materials, deliver smooth and confident driving experience. The powertrain is engineered for smooth, effortless performance rather than aggressive speed, delivering refined acceleration and relaxed highway cruising. Advanced air suspension systems continuously adapt to road conditions, delivering the signature Maybach ride quality that feels soft, stable, and composed regardless of surface. Technology plays a key role in enhancing safety and ease of driving with advanced driver assistance systems, semi-autonomous features, and intelligent stability controls working seamlessly in the background to manage the vehicle size and ensure confidence at all times. The Mercedes Maybach Motorhome 2026 represents the future of ultra-luxury travel, combining comfort, innovation, and elegance into a single extraordinary vehicle. It is designed for individuals who view travel as part of the luxury experience, not just a way to reach a destination. Owning a Maybach Motorhome means enjoying absolute comfort, privacy, and prestige wherever the road leads. If you enjoyed this luxury showcase, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Dreams Car Studio, and turn on notifications so you never miss any future luxury concepts and dream vehicles. Thank you for watching Dreams Car Studio. Drive safe and keep dreaming.